welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into efficient strategies for balancing family finances. Getting a grip on your finances is like building a strong foundation for your family's future. It's about taking control of your money instead of letting it control you. So buckle up, get ready to take some notes, and let's get started on this journey to financial peace. First things first, folks, you gotta create a budget. This is non-negotiable. A budget is simply telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Dave, budgets are restrictive and boring. But I'm telling you, they're the exact opposite. A budget gives you permission to spend without guilt. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month. You can use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even a good old-fashioned notebook. Be detailed and honest with yourself about where your money is going. Allocate your money to categories like housing, food, and entertainment. Remember, your budget should be realistic and reflect your family's needs and goals. All right, folks, we talked about creating a budget, but that's just the first step. The next crucial step is tracking your spending like a hawk. You gotta know where every single dollar is going. Think of it like this. If you were trying to lose weight, you wouldn't just guesstimate how many calories you were eating, right? You'd track them religiously. Now, I'm not saying you need to become obsessed with every penny, but you do need a system for monitoring your spending. Whether you use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or the envelope system, find what works for you and stick with it. When you track your spending, you start to see patterns and identify areas where you might be overspending. It's about awareness. When you're aware of where your money is going, you can make conscious decisions about how you want to spend it. Listen up, folks. Life throws curveballs. Unexpected expenses happen, and if you're not prepared, they can derail your finances faster than you can say emergency fund. An emergency fund is like a financial safety net. It's money you set aside specifically for those unexpected events. That way, when life throws you a curveball, you don't have to go into debt to handle it. Even if you can only start with $50 or $100 a month, it's better than nothing. Aim to have 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved up in your emergency fund. Having an emergency fund gives you peace of mind and financial security. It allows you to weather those storms without going into debt and jeopardizing your financial future. Listen up, folks. Debt is a dream stealer. It weighs you down, stresses you out, and keeps you from achieving your financial goals. If you're serious about balancing your family finances, you gotta get rid of that ball and chain. There are 2 main methods for paying off debt: the snowball method and the avalanche method. The snowball method involves paying off your smallest debts first, regardless of interest rate, to build momentum. The avalanche method focuses on paying off your highest interest debts first to save money on interest charges. Both methods work, so choose the one that motivates you the most. Cut your expenses, find extra sources of income, and throw every spare dollar you have at your debt. Remember, every payment you make brings you one step closer to financial freedom. All right, folks, let's talk about retirement. The earlier you start saving for retirement, the better. Time is your greatest asset when it comes to investing, thanks to the power of compound interest. Compound interest is like magic. It's the interest you earn on your interest, and it can make a huge difference in the long run. There are plenty of simple and effective ways to save for retirement, like contributing to a 401(k) or IRA. If your employer offers a matching contribution, take advantage of it. It's free money. The key is to start somewhere, even if it's just a small amount each month. Make it a habit to save for retirement, and over time, your nest egg will grow larger and larger. Listen up, folks. Our homes are full of spending leaks. Those little expenses that we don't even think about can add up to big bucks over time. If you want to free up more money in your budget, you gotta plug those leaks. Start by taking a close look at your monthly expenses. Are there any subscriptions you can cancel? Can you negotiate lower rates on your insurance or cell phone bill? Can you cut back on eating out or entertainment? It's about being intentional with your spending. Look for sales, use coupons, and buy in bulk when it makes sense. You might be surprised at how much you can save. Now let's talk about credit cards. Folks, credit cards are the devil. Okay, maybe not the devil, but they can be awfully tempting. It's so easy to swipe that card and worry about the consequences later. But here's the problem with credit cards. They make it too easy to spend money you don't have. And when you're carrying a balance, you're paying interest charges, which means you're essentially throwing money away. My advice? Break the plastic habit and start using cash instead. When you use cash, you're forced to be more mindful of your spending. Try the envelope system. Allocate cash for different spending categories, and once the cash is gone, it's gone. All right, folks, let's talk about big purchases. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a big purchase and make an impulse buy. But trust me, that's a recipe for financial disaster. Before you make any big purchase, take some time to plan and save. First, decide if the purchase is truly necessary or just something you want. If it's the latter, ask yourself if you can wait. If you decide to go ahead with the purchase, figure out how much you can realistically afford to spend. Then, start saving. Create a separate savings account specifically for that purchase and make regular contributions. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips help you balance your family finances more efficiently. Remember, taking control of your finances is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, effort, and discipline. But trust me, the rewards are worth it. When you're in control of your money, you're in control of your life. Take action today and watch your financial future transform. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. See you